Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome from saving your browsing history. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your file browser on your computer. Once it's open, click on this PC to access your main drives and folders. This is where all your system files and user data are stored. From here, click on the hard drive that you're currently using. This is typically your C drive, but it could be different depending on your system setup. Once you're inside, you'll see several system folders appear. Now, locate and click on the Users folder. This folder contains all the user profiles on your computer. After that, click on your specific user folder, the one that corresponds to your Windows account name. Next, navigate to the top of the window and click on View in the menu bar. This will open a drop-down menu with various viewing options. From this menu, click on Show to reveal additional options for displaying hidden files and folders. Here's an important step. Make sure the option for hidden items is checked. This allows you to see files and folders that Windows normally keeps hidden from view, which includes important application data that we need to access. Now scroll down and find the App Data folder, then click on it to open it. Inside App Data, click on the Local folder. This is where most of your locally stored application data lives, including browser information. From the Local folder, locate and click on the Google folder. Inside this folder, you'll see the Chrome folder, so go ahead and click on that as well. This takes you into the core directory where Chrome stores all its user data. Now click on User Data and then click on the Default folder. This default folder contains all your browsing data, including your history, bookmarks, and other settings. Take a moment here as you'll see several files inside. In this folder, find the file named History. This is the actual file where Chrome saves all your browsing history. Once you've located it, right-click on the History file and select Show More Options from the context menu that appears. In the expanded menu, click on Properties. This will open a new window showing you detailed information about the history file. Look for the section labeled Attributes near the bottom of the Properties window. Here's where we make the key change. Click the checkbox next to Read Only. By enabling this attribute, you're essentially telling Windows that this file cannot be modified or written to, which means Chrome won't be able to save any new browsing history to it. After checking the Read Only box, click Apply to save the changes and then click OK to close the Properties window. This locks the history file and prevents Chrome from adding new entries. Finally, restart your computer to ensure the changes take full effect. Once your system boots back up, Chrome will no longer be able to save your browsing history because the file is now read-only. And that's it, you've successfully stopped Chrome from saving your browsing history. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.